Welcome back to Affordable Kitchen, where we turn simple ingredients into mouth-watering meals. Today we are cooking a native favorite, palm oil rice with kpomo, some tatashe, shombo, Scotch bonnet peppers, and a little bit of fresh tomato fruit. That is what we'll be using for today's recipe. You start by washing all your ingredients. Your shombo, tatashe, Scotch bonnet pepper, tomatoes, and onions. If you have ginger and garlic, you can add, and then you wash them, blend all of them together. So in a clean pot, you add your palm oil, allow it to just warm up a little bit. Then you add your blended mix, your blended tomato mix, and everything to it. Allow it to cook and fry for a while. Keep mixing it together in order for it not to get burnt. Then you add your kpomo to it. While adding your kpomo, you mix it together. Add your spices, your salt, and be mindful this is native jollof rice, native palm oil rice, so you don't add too much spice in order for it not to upset the meal. So you, after adding your kpomo and your seasonings, I added just extra curry powder and all-purpose powder to it. That's what I added to my sauce. Then I added water. Allow it to cook for a while. You just add water to the quantity, like according to how it will cook your rice. Don't add too much water. Make sure you are adding and checking it. My rice was still strong because I just parboiled it for a bit and washed it out. So the rice was still very strong. I had to just add more water to my rice. So after everything, add your rice, add your water, check your seasoning, check the salt and everything. If it's okay for you and it's tasty, you can now allow it to cook. After adding everything and you've added your extra water and you are okay with it, you just cover and allow it to cook until it's done. For a fresh final touch, chop up some spring onions and add it in before serving. This adds color, crunch, and some extra layer of flavor to your meal. And there you have it, rich, spicy, and satisfying palm oil rice with kpomo. Simple, delicious, and affordable. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Leave a comment below if you would like to try this at home, and tell us what affordable meal you would love to see next, or right here on this channel, Affordable Kitchen. Thanks guys for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.